everyone, I'm back again and today I'm very excited to show you a Burmese recipe which is called khao sway. So let's get started. I've taken some lemongrass, green chili, onion, ginger and garlic and I'm going to grind this all to a fine paste. My paste is ready. Now let's get started. Now I'm going to heat some oil in a pan. I've taken about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding in the grind masala over here and I'm going to cook this masala till the masala smell goes off completely. Now in this recipe, lemongrass and coconut milk is very important guys, so do not skip adding these 2 ingredients. My masala is cooked really well. I'm adding in some more masalas. So I'm adding in some red chili powder, some turmeric powder and I'm also going to add in some coriander powder and I'm going to mix in this masala really well. Now to this I'm also adding in some gram flour, besan, which is very important guys, because this will give you the consistency that is required for a khao sway. Now we need to cook this besan really well. Now once the besan is cooked really well, let's add in some water. I'm going to add in about 3 cups of water, but I'm not going to add in all the 3 cups at the same time. I'm going to add 1 cup at a time and I'm going to keep mixing this really well so that there are no lumps. You can either use a spoon or you can even use a whisk if you like, if you're comfortable using a whisk. And you need to mix this really well so that the lumps are not formed and the besan or the brown flour gets cooked really well. Now as you can see, I've added around 3 cups of water and I've added 1 cup at a time. Do not try to add in 3 cups of water together and then try to mix it, or else there will be lumps. Now I'm going to bring this to a nice boil. Just before that, let me add in some salt. तो स्वाद के अनुसार आप नमक डाल दीजिए इसके अंदर. And once this comes to a boil, I'm going to add in some soya sauce. So I've added around 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and I'm going to mix this really well. Now is the time to add in your favorite vegetables. I'm adding some mushroom, baby corn and bell pepper. You can add in any vegetable of your choice. And we need to cook this till the vegetables are cooked really well. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes and you're very close to completing the khao sway. Now is the time to add in the key ingredient of this recipe, and that is coconut milk. So I'm going to add in around 2 cups of coconut milk, or rather I've added around 1.5 cups of coconut milk. Half a cup is water which I have added so that the coconut milk gets diluted. So around 2 cups of coconut milk I'm adding to this recipe. This has to be mixed well and for about a minute or 2 you can cook it. Now to this we are also going to add in some sugar. So half tablespoon of sugar I'm going to add it to this recipe. And we are almost done. The khao sway gravy is ready. I'll show you how to plate this as well and what all other ingredients you can add to make this a perfect khao sway, a Burmese perfect khao sway. So I've taken some fried garlic, this is roasted peanut powder, this is some fresh mint and coriander leaves, lemon and fried onions. I've also boiled in some noodles. All I've done is just taken plain noodles, added little oil and salt in some water and I have boiled it. And I'll show you how to plate this. Take a nice pretty bowl, add in the noodles, add in the khao sway gravy that you have made. Serve this really hot because this will taste really dumb if it's really hot. Now you can either add in the gravy all over the noodles or at the side, however you like it. I'm just adding it at the side and then later when you're going to eat it, you're going to mix everything up together. So I'm adding the fried garlic. I'm going to add in the peanut powder. I'm also adding in some fried onions. I love adding fried onions to this. It is really yummy. I'm adding in some fresh mint and coriander leaves. Some people also add boiled egg to it. Since this is a veg version, I'm not adding eggs to it. And I've also added some lemon juice. Here it is. Burmese khao sway is ready. Do let me know if you like this recipe and thank you so much for watching.